Hello viewers. Welcome to Knowledge Builder. My name is Saad and in today's video, I will be telling you 10 reasons why content is still king in digital marketing and how to get it right in 2021. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. 1. Content builds audience trust in your brand. 2. Content is king as a comprehensive branding tool. 3. Content is cost-effective, sustainable, and scalable. 4. Content helps you understand your audience segments. 5. Content lets your brand offer something unique. 6. Content is king for SEO. 7. Content lets you express your brand's personality. 8. Content provides leverage to connect with influencers. 9. Content is king for every stage of the customer journey. 10. Content is king across every channel. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.